How to change Instagram notification ringtone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change Instagram notification ringtone. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Log in to your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select gear icon at top right corner and then choose notifications. Scroll down and tap from Instagram. Scroll down to the bottom and tap additional options in system settings. Now scroll down and select Instagram Direct. Tap ringtone and you can easily choose the custom ringtone or alert tones as well. You can tap on it and easily change Instagram notification ringtone. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.